Welcome to yet another video of Fragrant Jam, guys, and today I'll be talking about this big box. This is House of EM5, and I love the presentation first of all. So I was just accessing Amazon and I came across this bestseller section, and this was in their bestsellers. I mean, amongst the perfume section, it was in the bestseller. So I was like, let's give it a try, because the prices were amazing first of all, and then I saw a few photos and accessed the websites and everything. So I thought, let's do it. So let me show you two perfumes that I got. This is first one, this is second one. We'll talk about them. Then there is something that I was really excited about, because I just read about it, and in India I saw it for the first time. These are solid perfumes. I'll tell you what exactly these are. And there were two concentrated perfume oils, or we can say Attars. Again, the quality is amazing. And there were two samples that were sent. I'll talk about them as well. So first of all, let me talk about the two perfumes that I have. So the first one is Woody Oud, and this is how the box looks like. I love the presentation. It is like very neatly wrapped in this cellophane. I opened it, and here you'll be able to see this. Kind of like their tagline, and the bottle is amazing. Just look at this. How neat this bottle is. The clean glass bottle with the clean juice, and I'm impressed. To be very honest, I'm impressed with the kind of presentation they have, and for the kind of price they offer. This one is Woody Oud. Now this is their interpretation of Oud Wood by Tom Ford. So let's say if you're looking for a budget alternative of Oud Wood, you can try that one out. And this is Nomade LV. Again, this is their interpretation of Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomade, and that is also one of the most famous and most sold perfume, and you can say most costly perfume. Both the bottles are amazing and to the point. I love this kind of sophisticated and to the point kind of presentation. So let's talk about the scent profile here. We'll go with Nomade LV first. This is their take on Ombre Nomade. Now, to be honest, there are a lot of alternatives or clones for Ombre Nomade, and some are good, some are bad, some are costly, and some are extremely cheap. I mean, some are like very, very synthetic, but then this on the other hand came across really nice and lasts for really long. I have these perfumes for like almost a week now, and I've been giving them a very nice wearing. Very good. I've tested the original Ombre Nomade, that is like something different level stuff, and of course it has to be, because the kind of quality ingredients they have used, it has to be one of the most amazing perfume. But then the price is also very high. So if you're looking for an amazing Ombre Nomade alternative, and if you have already been through all the other stuffs, I guess this is something that you should give it a try. I mean, this is not at all nauseating. I have seen one perfume by the House of Latafa, and that was very much nauseating. I mean, it literally gave me headache. But then this is kind of smooth and well balanced. Next one here is Woody Oud, and like this definitely needs no introduction, because Woody Oud is an interpretation of Tom Ford's Oud Wood. A lot of brands have their own interpretation of Oud Wood, and again, wow, this is good. I mean, it reeks quality. That is what I want to share here. So it is not just another alternative of Oud Wood, but then the quality matters, and that is what I felt in this bottle, and it lasts amazingly. I mean, the lasting was approximately 7 to 8 hours, to be honest, on my skin, and if you're spraying on clothes, it'll be more than 7 to 8 hours, that's for sure. Comparing this one with the original one, I'll say this is to the point and best for your buck. Let's go with these two now, and these are solid perfumes. Now I'll go with the one that I love the most. Okay, let me show you the presentation first. So this is how the box opens, like this, and here we have this, and similarly the other one is this. Now the best thing here is that even their solid perfumes will remind you of some of the most high-end perfumes. Like let's say this is their alternative, or let's say their take on red tobacco, and this is Ganymede. Now if you are aware, this is how Ganymede looks like, the original one, and this is how the red tobacco is. So amazing. And the scent profile is to the point. I mean, let's say if you are someone who loves these two perfumes and who already have these two perfumes, and if you guys want to layer them up, this is the best choice. So let me show you how these works. This is solid perfume, and all you need to do is just open it, take some amount of this cream like this and apply on your pulse points like this. So you can do it on your entire body, on the pulse points, and it gives amazing vibes. So these are made of beeswax and shea butter plus the perfume oil. So that means that they help you to smell good, plus they also keep your skin moisturized. And this is the best thing in winter, because you need all those Vaseline and other skin moisturizer. So this is like convenient thing because it is small, and the best thing is that it won't melt. So yeah, this is what I personally do. I use this, and then I apply the same perfume, which enhances the performance of the perfume. Amazing thing. I mean, all you just need to do is take some amount of this thing and rub it like this. So yeah, it will act as a moisturizer and you are gonna smell amazing. So yeah, this is like this is the best thing if you want to smell amazing on the go. Let's say if you're traveling, if you're in a meeting or something, and if you are not able to carry your perfume with yourself, just take this small thing, keep it in your pocket or something, and apply it anywhere you go. The next two things were the concentrated perfume oils, and this is the presentation that I got in. So the best thing about these are, first, these are roll-ons and the size is very compact, so you can carry them anywhere. And the best and most important thing here is that these are alcohol free. So for people who are willing to get only the alcohol free stuff, this is for you. Now I love this one as well because the longevity is amazing. This is something aquatic. Of course, these are also similar to some of the high-end perfumes, and the performance here is amazing as well. Now, I was amazed by the kind of performance they gave me, because generally I don't get that much longevity, or let's say sillage, from Attars, but then these were the exception. I am pretty sure that these two are, even if I apply them daily, these two are gonna last for months because of how potent they are. I mean, you just need like a little bit swipe here on your neck, and you're good to go. So yeah, I will mention their link in description, their website, their Instagram page, and everything. And I mean, they have a lot of products. I mean, I've just reviewed the perfumes, the solid perfumes and the concentrated perfume oils, but then they also have aromatherapy stuffs, then they have gift packs, they also have scented candles and body mists and everything. And there are a lot of things that are coming on their website. So this is it regarding the house of EM5, guys. If you like the video, do subscribe and share. It really keeps me motivated. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.